All right, hello everyone. So when people talk about classroom interactions, they usually refer to the content-based materials. My question is, how can people and instructors like us able to teach a lesson without managing the class at the same time? Okay, so say when an instructor points to the board, to the screen, and the students are expected to look at the screen in a timely manner, rather than, say, starting to chit-chat with each other, right? So both student and instructors need to coordinate their bodies, and they have to interact in some coordinated manners, and then manage each other's actions in order to get the lesson done. My research interest is in the managing part of classroom management. In action terms, specifically, what needs to be managed, how classroom management look like, and the consequence of managing in one way over the other. Conversation analysis is a form of social inquiry that allows me to actively and repeatedly analyze, observe instances, and see how classroom management actually gets done, gets performed. When other instructors, they talk about classroom management, they usually refer to people's recollectible data. And my question is, usually most of the human actions are not really recollectible, because when you step into the world interacting with others, you're so competent in doing these things, and you just do it without even realizing it. Video recordings provide evidence, access to how people actually do classroom management. I have recorded hours of classroom interaction, and I have seen cases of how people actually do classroom management. For example, I've seen an instructor who gets his body closer to some chit-chatters in class and eventually disengages the chit-chatter at the sidebar while still continue interacting with another student in the class and doing questioning and answering. So that's being observed as a very efficient way of doing classroom managing work without stopping the business at hand, the lesson at hand. And my goal is to identify these cases, describe and explicate it in detail. Thank you very much.